Hi, Jud here. We've got a storm coming in, Idalia, and it's supposed to hit here in about 3 hours or so. And I want to make sure I have something to eat over the next few days in case we lose power. I'm not really worried about it. The track has moved west, so we're just going to get some big rain and wind here. You know, barring the occasional deadly gusts or tornadoes or whatever. I've taken direct hits here from Cat 3s before. I'm okay. What's gone down has already gone down, and I've battened down the hatches and tied down the roof and done what I can, so there's not much I can do about it. So I'm going to make cake, and today's going to be a little bit different because I'm going to take what I learned from the last two adventures, but also because I could only find a chocolate cake by Krusty's at the supermarket today, and they want 2 eggs, a cup and a half of milk, and a cup of vegetable oil. So I'm going to be sort of ignoring their, like we've done for the last couple of times, ignoring the ingredients list and doing my substitutes and things like that. One substitute I'm really looking forward to, actually 2. One is the applesauce, which I really love what that did to the cake. Regardless of any food sensitivities you might have, I suggest you all try that. It's amazing. And the other thing was adding the baking soda and vinegar, which helps it rise, which is, as I've mentioned before, a big problem with gluten-free stuff is being heavy, you know, so you want rise. So I might even do a double shot of that. I also might throw in a little bit of peanut butter, my fake peanut butter, and also I'm going to cook at 350 instead of 400, and maybe that might be why the bottom didn't get fully cooked, because the rest cooked too fast before the heat could penetrate, I'm thinking. Nobody came back to me on that. Anybody who's got ideas on that, come back to me. Look at the video 2 ago, and even the last one, and cooking video, and comment. Let me know. Come on. Some of you people out there know what you're doing in the kitchen. I'm not one of them, so help me out. Okay, so we're going to go with the chocolate cake. I'm going to be making this up as we go along. I'm not even sure what I'm going to do. 1.5 cups of milk. Well, I'm going to do 1.5 cups of water, because we have seen over the last 2 attempts that we've used water as directed on the first one, and we substituted soda on the second one, and those both worked fine, so I think we'll be okay there. I don't know if I want to go with a full cup of vegetable oil. I'm going to do 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. That's one of those things that I'm semi-sensitive to. With 1/2 cup of that, and I'm going to add some peanut butter. Again, the fake peanut butter, and for the record, I'm using the sun nut butter. Again, I'd rather be using the wow butter, but nobody's got it anymore. Of course, peanut butter and chocolate go together very well. I know companies that have built their entire reputation on that. Okay, we'll microwave that to make it more liquid, and then 2 eggs. So again, 2 of the applesauces, but I'm also going to add the baking soda and vinegar. So this one's really my recipe, ad-libbing from the experiments of the last few days. There we go. Okay, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a tablespoon of vinegar. We're going to double that. We're going to do 2 teaspoons of this and 2 tablespoons, 2 tablets of the vinegar. I could call this my hurricane cake, because if I'm wrong, this could be a total disaster. Maybe that a little bit more. I'm not sure how you're supposed to get the peanut butter mixed into this uniformly. I mean, peanut butter doesn't exactly dilute in water or anything. There we go. Look how beautifully that scrapes out of there. I love this tool. Okay, now the magic mixer. Okay, I think we got a decent distribution there. And let's see, what do we got? 350. Oh, yeah, I forgot to turn the oven on. Enter the cake mix. Ooh, this only wants to cook for 30-35 minutes. Interesting. Okay. I should have left out half a cup of water. I can already tell you this is way too liquid. But my call right now is to cut the 1.5, with everything extra that I added, to cut the 1.5 water to 1 cup. But, again, we'll see what happens in the end. This might come out absolutely magnificent. Okay, got a nice mix there. Yep, that's tasty. And one more thing. Half a cup. Is that right? Yeah, we'll see what happens. This time I'm going to mix these right in instead of laying them on the top. And we're definitely going to go with another half cup. Okay, so 1 cup of gluten-free chocolate chips. Oh, my tooth hurts. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, biggest metal pan I have. Again, we'll put a little dab of Crisco in there. Right. Yeah. Yummy. There you go. There's before. We'll do before and after. And into the great toaster oven goes the newest cake. And it wants 30 minutes, and I'm going to give it 35. The call of the cooked cake. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, that looks good. Oh, look at how evenly that rose. Ooh, I like that. Okay, we got to do the toothpick test. Okay, please be done perfectly. I think that's good. I'm excited. I'm excited. That looks good, and I think it's good. Okay, so we're going to let that cool off, and then the taste test. Time to test this baby. See how she's doing. Oh, looks like it's pretty much cooked. Okay, that's from the knife. Yeah, it feels good. Oh. Oh. Mm. 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 Wow. Mm-hmm. Yum, yum, yum. Mm. 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 Okay, I would. Very good, very good. The applesauce, man, why haven't they been making applesauce cakes forever? That's incredible. The baking soda, I'm tasting very, very slightly because I know it's there. I can detect the baking powder. Baking soda, whatever it is. So next time I will add just a little bit less of that. The doubling of it was okay, but I would just back off on a double the vinegar, but just slightly under double the baking soda. Oh, and I can get the peanut butter too. Yeah, that's working. Oh man. Wow. Mmm. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Mmm. 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 Good and gooey. It's like halfway between a brownie and a cake. Wow. Okay. So I'm ready for the hurricane now. Happy day to you.